Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products that promise miracles but fall short? Discover the secret to radiant skin right in your kitchen with these natural DIY remedies from Emma's Health Buddy. Transform your skincare routine and pamper yourself with these effective and affordable treatments. Finding the right skincare products can be overwhelming and costly. Many promise results but often contain harsh chemicals or fail to deliver on their claims. Our DIY remedies offer a natural alternative, using ingredients that are gentle yet effective for various skin concerns. 1. Honey and oatmeal mask. Harnessing honey's antibacterial properties for acne treatment and oatmeal's gentle exfoliation, this mask soothes and moisturizes while removing dead skin cells. To create this mask, begin by grinding plain oatmeal until it forms a fine powder. Mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder with 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Add a few drops of water or rose water to achieve a spreadable consistency. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water, gently massaging to exfoliate before rinsing completely. 2. Avocado and honey face mask. Rich in vitamins E and C, avocado nourishes and hydrates the skin while honey provides moisture and fights acne-causing bacteria. To make this mask, mash half a ripe avocado until smooth, then mix in 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water and patting dry. 3. Turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties brighten the skin and reduce acne scars, while yogurt gently exfoliates and moisturizes. To prepare, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt in a bowl. Optionally, add a teaspoon of honey for extra moisture. Apply the mixture evenly to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate. 4. Green tea face mist. Loaded with antioxidants, green tea protects against free radicals and soothes irritated skin. To create your own refreshing mist, brew a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Pour the cooled tea into a clean spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Throughout the day, spray the green tea mist onto your face and neck to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. 5. Coconut oil and sugar scrub. Coconut oil's moisturizing benefits combined with sugar's gentle exfoliation leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. To whip up this scrub, mix half a cup of coconut oil with 1 cup of granulated sugar in a bowl. For a fragrant touch, add a few drops of essential oil like lavender or vanilla. Gently massage the scrub onto damp skin in circular motions, focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. 6. Cucumber and aloe vera eye gel. Say goodbye to puffiness and dark circles with this cooling eye gel that combines cucumber's soothing properties with aloe vera's hydration. To make this refreshing gel, peel and chop half a cucumber, then blend until smooth. Strain the cucumber pulp to extract the juice and mix equal parts of cucumber juice and aloe vera gel in a small bowl. Store the mixture in the refrigerator to cool, then apply a small amount around your eyes using your fingertips. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes and gently rinse off with cool water. 7. Lemon and honey spot treatment. Target blemishes and dark spots with this potent treatment using lemon's natural exfoliation and brightening properties combined with honey's moisturizing benefits. To create this spot treatment, mix 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey in a small bowl. If your skin is sensitive, dilute the mixture with a little water. Apply directly to blemishes or dark spots using a clean cotton swab or your fingertip. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water and patting dry. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. 8. Milk and honey bath soak. Indulge in a luxurious bath that exfoliates and softens your skin thanks to milk's lactic acid and honey's moisturizing properties. To prepare your bath soak, fill your bathtub with warm water and add 1-2 cups of whole milk and 1/2 cup of honey. Gently stir to mix the milk and honey into the water. Soak in the bath for 15-20 minutes, allowing your skin to absorb the nourishing benefits. Rinse off with clean water and gently pat your skin dry with a towel. 9. Olive oil and brown sugar. Lip scrub. Keep your lips smooth and hydrated with this gentle scrub, using olive oil's antioxidants and brown sugar's exfoliating power. To make this lip scrub, mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a small bowl. For a touch of fragrance, add a drop of vanilla extract. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips in circular motions for 1-2 minutes, then rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Follow up with a lip balm or moisturizer to keep your lips soft and supple. 10. Rosewater and glycerin toner. Maintain your skin's pH balance and keep it hydrated with this refreshing toner, combining rosewater's anti-inflammatory properties and glycerin's moisture-locking benefits. To create your own toner, mix equal parts of rosewater and glycerin in a clean bottle or container. Shake well to ensure thorough mixing. After cleansing your face, apply the toner using a cotton pad or spritz it directly onto your skin. Gently pat the toner into your skin until fully absorbed, then follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in the hydration. 11. Papaya and pineapple enzyme mask. Reveal smoother, radiant skin with this enzymatic mask using papaya and pineapple's natural enzymes to exfoliate and promote cell turnover. To prepare this mask, blend equal parts of fresh papaya and pineapple until smooth. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin using your fingertips or a brush. Leave the mask on for 10-15 minutes to allow the enzymes to work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate while rinsing. Follow up with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to maintain hydration. 12. Banana and yogurt face mask. Nourish your skin with vitamins and minerals using this mask that combines banana's nutrients with yogurt's exfoliating and moisturizing properties. To make this mask, mash half a ripe banana until smooth, then mix in 1-2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture evenly to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry to reveal soft and refreshed skin. 13. Tomato and honey face pack. Brighten your complexion and combat signs of aging with this antioxidant-rich pack using tomatoes' lycopene and honey's moisturizing benefits. To prepare this face pack, blend fresh tomato pulp until smooth, then mix 2 tablespoons of tomato pulp with 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave the pack on for 15-20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry for a revitalized glow. These DIY skincare remedies offer a natural and effective approach to caring for your skin, using ingredients you can trust. Incorporate them into your skincare routine regularly for glowing, healthy-looking skin. For more tips and tricks on natural skincare, subscribe to Emma's Health Buddy and embark on your journey to healthier, glowing skin.